Top 3 fruits for kidney detox. Our kidneys, the unsung heroes of detoxification, tirelessly filter impurities and excess waste from our bodies. Just like our skincare routines for glowing skin, our kidneys deserve attention. Morning nutrition plays a crucial role in supporting their hard work. If you want to kickstart your mornings for your diligent kidneys, stay tuned for a fantastic kidney detox juice later in the video. But first, let's explore the top 3 fruits ideal for breakfast to detoxify your kidneys. Number 1. Blueberries are nature's mini powerhouses, packed with essential nutrients and anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants giving them their radiant hue. These berries shield our cells from free radicals that contribute to aging and diseases, emphasizing their role in reducing oxidative stress for kidney health. Blueberries go beyond anthocyanins, offering a treasure trove of antioxidants like vitamin C and manganese. Their potential to combat inflammation makes them vital for kidney health, addressing a significant factor in chronic diseases. Additionally, the fiber in blueberries promotes digestive health, regulates blood sugar, and maintains healthy cholesterol levels for efficient kidney function. Consider incorporating blueberries into your breakfast routine for a nutrient-rich start. Sprinkle them on cereals, stir into oatmeal, add to yogurt, or blend into a refreshing smoothie. For an indulgent twist, whip up fluffy blueberry pancakes with honey or maple syrup, satisfying your taste buds and supporting your overall health for the day. Number 2. Apples, the humble yet powerful fruit, can be a valuable ally for your kidneys. Rich in fiber, they assist in waste elimination, easing pressure on the kidneys and boosting efficiency. Apples' natural ability to reduce cholesterol thanks to pectin lowers the risk of kidney diseases and maintains healthy blood pressure, indirectly benefiting kidney function. Additionally, apples provide a moderate amount of potassium and anti-inflammatory compounds crucial for kidney health. Reducing inflammation, a key factor in many kidney conditions, can be immensely beneficial. With a relatively low glycemic index, apples release sugar slowly, aiding those with diabetes often linked to kidney problems. Incorporating apples into breakfast is easy and versatile. Enjoy them fresh, add slices to oatmeal, mix into a yogurt parfait, or blend into smoothies. For an adventurous twist, try apple compote or baked apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon, a delightful breakfast treat supporting kidney health. Number 3. Pomegranates, the vibrant superfruit celebrated for kidney health. Packed with antioxidants like punic allergens and anthocyanins, pomegranates reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, safeguarding kidneys from damage. Their unique ability to increase nitric oxide levels supports blood vessel health, crucial for efficient kidney function. In moderation, the potassium content in pomegranates can be beneficial, but consult a healthcare provider if you have kidney issues or dietary restrictions. Including pomegranates in breakfast adds a delightful touch sprinkle. Ruby red arils on cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, blend into smoothies, or enjoy fresh juice. This sweet tart flavor not only enhances breakfast but also provides nutrients favoring kidney health. Remember, moderation is key for a balanced diet. Now, for a refreshing kidney detox drink, gather apple slices, juicy blueberries, pomegranate seeds, watermelon, fresh ginger, and water or coconut water. Blend until smooth, adjust consistency, and savor this divine elixir, combining the detoxifying power of our top 3 fruits for a refreshing kidney boost. Remember, while our juice is a great addition to a kidney-healthy diet, it's not a magic potion. Consistency in a balanced diet, adequate hydration, regular exercise, and periodic health checkups are your best bet for overall health and vitality. So, here's to happy kidneys and a healthier you. Cheers.